What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler, and today, as you can tell, I had to use a wide angle lens. But the reason I had to use a wide angle lens is because the package that I was sent today was so large it could not fit in my standard crop. Before I pull out this beast, let me read a note that came along with the package itself. So the note is actually from Herschel. You know that bag company with those iconic white woven tags? That's the same bag company. In fact, I think everyone probably had a Herschel bag in high school. I had a couple in college as well. I love Herschel. Also, shout out to them for sponsoring today's video and sending over this, well, you guys can't see it yet, but this crazy package that I have yet to unbox and I'm very excited to unbox. But back to the note, it says, Seth, we wanted you to have the first look at our latest collab with New Balance, launching on 9/19/19. Make sure you check out all the layers of the box. Thanks for the support and enjoy. Your friends at Herschel. P.S. The shoe fits a half size small. Gotcha. So I think it's time to check out this box. Go. Look at that. So as you can tell from the front of the box, this is a collaboration between Herschel and New Balance, and apparently this is actually their third collaboration. I actually really dig the collaboration logo. They took the New Balance logo and put it on top of the Herschel logo and then did it in red, and I think on this sort of Game Royal or Royal Blue box, it looks really clean. I don't think Game Royal is an actual color. I think I've been brainwashed by sneakers. I think I'm gonna have to actually stand up to open up this box. No way! That's insane. That's crazy. I'm actually in the way of this fourth panel, so let me get it out of the way. There we go. That's nuts. Let me turn this package a little bit just so it fits better in frame and so that I can actually sit next to it. So it looks like around the outside of the package we've got text that says All Terrain 801. It's got the Herschel New Balance logo, and it also says New Balance Herschel Supply Company. That's so crazy. This might actually be one of the craziest packages I've ever gotten. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna move that off to the side. Move these guys. Wow, this is sick. I really love the way they did this. Thank you so much to Herschel. Thank you so much to New Balance. This is dope. Okay, so the first thing inside this multi-layered package, it looks like a sort of stratification of the Earth. Man, it's been a minute since I've been in geology? Not even gonna try. I don't know. But at the top of the package, we've got the brand new Herschel Supply New Balance 801. So this shoe is unique because of its sort of retro vibe. I also dig its thick rubber midsole and outsole. It really has a trail feel to it. And then of course you've also got this really interesting upper that's made up of leather panels and nylon panels and mesh panels. It really looks good. It's different, and that's what I like about it. It's not something that I usually pick up, but I've been getting a lot more into like hiking and trail sports and activities. I guess hiking is the only real thing that I do. But this is gonna be perfect for that because I'm gonna bring some extra style to the trail. This is also like a stupid comfortable shoe. The New Balance 801 also features absorbed cushioning, which is really soft and comfortable underfoot. You're gonna get some nice impact protection, especially when you're hiking, but also in everyday wear. I actually really dig the back of these shoes because you've got text embroidered into the heel that says All Terrain in bright yellow, and then you've also got this 3M hit at the top of the pull tab, you know, for that added bit of style and flair, but also for safety, because safety is important. The insole is also co-branded too. You've got Herschel and New Balance on the right shoe, and then you've got the All Terrain logo or All Terrain text on the left shoe. Oh, it looks like we also get an extra set of laces as well. This shoe comes with some bright yellow laces if you want to switch them out, which would actually match the All Terrain text on the back, which I think is a nice touch. I also really dig this colorway too. You've got this sort of navy blue upper and then this salmon red midsole and outsole. It provides a really nice contrast, and it's a color combination that I don't have a lot of, and I think is a really cool, nice addition to my collection. But if for whatever reason this colorway isn't your cup of tea, Herschel actually sent over 2 other pairs, so let's check those out. They hooked it up, man. With this drop, it's crazy. Let's pull out this guy first. This is my first time seeing these guys in person. So this is the Herschel New Balance 801 in the stone colorway. It's like a very light sort of cream color, and I really dig the way it looks. And even though the entire shoe does have a very monochromatic feel, you do get some subtle contrast with the different material choices, which I really like. And if you're not a fan of these laces, this shoe does also come with a pair of black laces too. So you could add a little bit more contrast on the upper if that's something you're looking for. But for me personally, I think I'm gonna stick with the cream laces. On to the third pair. We've got a... That's different. I like that a lot. This is sort of a darkish tan, sort of an olivey tan with a, I guess maroon or like sort of dusty rose colored midsole. I'm really pulling out all the adjectives to describe this colorway. You've got dusty rose midsole, you've got an olivey tan upper, This is just kind of a standard navy tongue. No, but I actually think this colorway is really nice. It's different. I like it a lot. Same details on this shoe. The all-terrain text in yellow. You've got the 3M hit at the top of the pull tab. And actually, the shoe also comes with yellow laces as well. So if you want to switch out these laces to match the all-terrain text in the back, you can do that. I'm gonna be honest, I think color-wise or color palette-wise, this one's my favorite, but I think honestly the one that I will probably wear the most is the red and blue. All these 801s are clean though. I actually dig all the different colorways, and I'm pretty stoked to hike in these. Maybe I'll mismatch some, I don't know. That's probably not the best look. But now I'm gonna throw these guys on and give you an idea of how they look on feet.
Perfect.
I really dig these Herschel New Balance 801s. They're really comfortable. The midsole cushioning is solid, as in good and soft. The upper is really plush and well padded. The one thing is, like they said in the note, definitely go up half a size because they do fit a tad bit small. So now that we've checked out the Herschel New Balance 801s, we have to go excavating. We're just gonna open up the rest of the box. So let's pull off this top layer right here. And the first thing we have is... Oh, no way! Oh way, this is sick, hold up. A friend of mine actually rocks these like crazy. So this is actually the Hip Pack Anorak. I know that rhymes, that was probably on purpose, and I love it. So, there we go. So, let me show you guys what's so cool about this, besides just being a pretty dope looking hip pack. The cool thing about this is that when you open it up, it turns into an anorak. That's so sick. I've never actually transformed one of these before, so this is cool to see. Let me put these guys in there. Yo, that's sick. That's so cool. It's like salmon and navy. Hold up. Look at that. This used to be a fanny pack on my hip, and now it's a dope anorak. This is awesome. I've never had anything like this before. I really love this. Check out the back too. You've got the Herschel Supply New Balance logo. The colorway on this is fire too. I really dig this. Look at that. You got a little front pocket for your hands, I guess. I really like this a lot, and it's lightweight. It's super lightweight. I'm pretty sure it's water resistant too, so it's actually good for a lot of different conditions. That's probably why they wrote all terrain on it. This is fire. I can't get over it. I really, really like this a lot. Let's pull out the last thing right here. Ooh. Okay, we've got a New Balance Herschel t-shirt. You've got the Herschel New Balance logo there on the front. You've got it really large on the back. And then you've also got New Balance written down the sleeve and All Terrain written down the other sleeve. That's so sick. I think this is a Herschel shirt too. This is a dope shirt. If I wasn't already wearing the anorak, I'd throw this on. Okay, last thing inside the bin. This is a Herschel Cruise crossbody bag with the New Balance co-branding on it. This is nice. They're hooking it up today, guys. This is awesome. So this crossbody bag is made of abrasion resistant and tear resistant ballistic nylon. So you can put anything in here, it'll be safe, it'll be protected. You've also got this nice interior with this actually rubber mesh inside. So you can really like throw your phone in there, throw your wallet in there, anything you need to bring along with you, and it's good to go. It's protected on the outside, it's protected on the inside, it won't bounce around because of this nice rubber mesh. And the bottom of it also comes in this salmon colored molded foam which mimics the sneaker, which I think is an awesome, awesome touch. I actually really dig this crossbody bag. This is awesome. So everything in the Herschel collection comes in 3 additional colorways. You've got their brand colors, which are navy and red. You've got a rock colorway and a cement colorway as well. So if you're not digging the salmon and navy vibe, which I think is fire, but it might not be for everybody, you have a lot of different options to choose from. So I actually looked up the prices and the availability for this capsule collection just in case you guys are interested in picking up any of these goodies. Everything's going to be available at Herschel.com and NewBalance.com and some select New Balance and Herschel stores while supplies last. So if you want them, grab them now because they are available now. So the pricing for this collection is the Hip Pack Anorak is $109.99 USD, which I think actually might be my favorite part of the collection. I should probably save that to last, but I dig this. The Herschel New Balance 801 sneakers are $99.99 USD. The long sleeve tee is $44.99 USD, and the Cruise crossbody bag is also $44.99 USD. If you would like to check out anything featured in today's video or any other part of the collection, make sure to check out the links at the top of the description. Huge thank you to Herschel for sponsoring today's video and sending over this awesome stuff. I really dig it. I think I'm actually gonna rock this and probably this immediately after this video. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.